Hi, I'm Ananya and I've built Quest Maps today. So what this app does is it turns a travel planning into a game. So let me take you to Singapore first. So basically what this does is it'll let you have a quest run. So it'll have a mascot, and let me just start with showing it to you. So this is the Singapore map and it has pulled all the hotspots in Singapore. And over here is the legend. So these are the most viral and must see spots, and the stars are marked by the hotspots. And we have all sorts of activities here. So let me zoom in and show obviously the number one spot in Singapore, which is Universal Studios. So as you can see, we are supposed to select a start point. So let me select that, and after that we can basically use the A and D key to select our next target. Let me select Merlion. And by the way, we also have a life here of the mascot, and it'll die if we don't eat food. If we go to any three spots without eating food, because food is part of the culture, right? So we must experience the culture fully, and that's why it is necessary that you eat food on the way to tourist spots. So let me just walk to Gardens by the Bay. It will also show you the life, as in how much life it will take you to reach that spot. And now let me go to Chinatown. Okay, so as you can see that the mascot will die soon if you don't eat food. So we can either press S, so it'll automatically direct you to a food stop close by. But let me show you how it dies first. So let me go to Merlion. So as you can see, the mascot has fainted because we didn't eat food. So yeah, I think this is what you can call the star feature of the app. And it's not just about moving fast, you have to stop and eat as well because of the full cultural experience. And another feature is that, let's take Bali. You want to plan an itinerary, and you can select all the spots that you want to. Let's say a waterfall, and here you can see some of the hotels nearby. You want to hike, you want to eat food, you want to go on some other activities. So if you can see here, it will also plan your itinerary day by day. So you can select as many places as you want to go, and yeah, it will divide the itinerary on a daily basis and come up with a day by day itinerary. And you can also send the mascot on a route here to see how it pans out. Let me stop this for time constraint. And finally, we can also plan with an agent like the entire itinerary. On top of that, it will also recommend you a stay option based on all your selected spots, so that you remain in the central area considering all the spots that you want to go to. And it will also let you know the rating and why it selected this. I think that's it. Thank you.